You may be wondering why you need VideoSumo. After all, there are lots and lots of great video research tools out there. They already exist. There's lots and lots of great video creation tools, but VideoSumo is designed to be simple. And what I mean by that is anybody can log in, they can quickly research keywords and phrases, and they can even create highly specific videos to plug those traffic pockets. Now, before I take you through the actual software itself, let me explain why VideoSumo is perfect for anybody in a rush to get results. Let's begin with traffic. In this business, we all know that we need as much traffic as we can possibly get. Now, you can buy traffic, you can try to figure out SEO and wait around for months and months and months hoping to get some traffic, or you could try VideoSumo. Now, here you can see one of my posts. What I've done here is I've turned that post into a basic video, and using the competition analysis inside of VideoSumo, I was able to find a phrase which is make money with ClickBank on autopilot and rank for that pretty much straight away. So you can see here I have a video, it's on page 1. If you'd like to go over and check that for yourself, be my guest. But you can see that this little video here is driving traffic to my blog post. Now, essentially, this little video, your little video, whatever it is, can drive traffic to wherever you want to. Now, let's assume that you were just starting out. You didn't have any assets, you didn't have that much experience, you didn't have a blog or a website or anything like that, and you just wanted to make a little money. Now, many of us know that you can do that through a process called launch jacking. Essentially, what launch jacking is riding the wave or riding the buzz that surrounds a particular launch on a particular day. And you can see that Venkata has ranked here using the software. Now, he could take that video using our software and he could upload that video to multiple phrases. So same video, lots and lots of different phrases found using VideoSumo. So you can see page 1 there, page 1 here, another page 1 right here, and yet another one here. Now, the point I'm trying to get across is the fact that this is very easy. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of this video that there are lots and lots of great research tools out there, lots and lots of great video creation tools out there. And that's great, but you'll find that most of those are complicated tools. They're about perfection. VideoSumo is about results, very, very quick results, and it's done in a very, very simple and user-friendly way. And let me show you how it works. As you can see, this is a SaaS platform, so there's nothing to download. You simply log in and use it whenever you want to. I'm going to set up a new campaign, quickly take you through the steps. So you can see that we have 2 elements to this platform. So number 1 is research, number 2 is video creation. So I'm going to start with research, and then we'll just click here like so. This next step is to add a seed keyword. So a seed keyword or phrase, something that you want to rank for. Now, what VideoSumo does is it correlates and analyzes data from both YouTube and Google. Now, you can choose to search from the United States, obviously, because that's where most of your customers are going to be found, but if you'd rather keep it local or targeted to your area, then you can do so. This would be useful, say for example, if you wanted to find traffic pockets for local businesses, for example. But for this demo, I'm just going to leave it as United States. We're going to keep things quite broad. So the first step, as you can see, is to add your phrase, your seed phrase or keyword, add that there, and then click search now. And you can see straight away the software starts to search and correlate from YouTube and Google. And to make things very, very easy, the ranking data is displayed in a traffic-like system. So you can see that we have red. It's going to be difficult to rank anything that's in red. Amber, that's kind of somewhere in the middle, and obviously green. So green obviously being the easiest to rank. So although we put numerology report up here, we can see that that's going to be potentially tricky to rank for. But what we can do is we can find a phrase that we can use. Now, this may not relate specifically to an affiliate product, for example. But what we can do here is we can rank for a bunch of phrases using the same video and drive that traffic to, say, the affiliate offer, for example. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to understand which phrases you're going to be able to use. Now let's scroll down and let's look at this one here, for example. So if I click here, you can see that it gives me the top video data. Now why is this important? Well, these videos are already ranking. So it may be on YouTube, it may be on Google, it may be on both. So you can see this one, for example, has a YouTube rank of #1. So #1 in YouTube, and it's on page 1 of Google. Okay, so you can see position #2. Now what we can do here is we can actually select this one. We can select several if we wanted to, and then we can either export that data. So let's assume that you have a bunch of videos, perhaps you've uploaded them already and they didn't rank very well. What we can do here is we can export all of the data down into a CSV file, and then we can re-upload those videos, those old videos that have been sat on your hard drive for however long, with the correct data, the data that these videos are using. And we can essentially rank straight away. Does that make sense? Now, if you don't have your own videos, if you don't want to make your own videos, what we can do here is we can go on to step 2. So if I was to select this one, for example, and then add the data there, it's added that one, and then we can create a video inside of VideoSumo. What we can do here is we can add in a URL here and then submit there, and it will open up the website. And then what we can do is we can crop any aspects of the website and turn them into slides, which we can use to make our own videos. And let me show you how that works. So we drop in the URL here. This is perfect for affiliate marketing or launch jacking. What I'm going to do here is click submit, wait for it to load. Then you can see that the website loads here. As it opens, you'll also see this selection frame. So this is repositionable. You can move it about, you can drag it about, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, but essentially what we can do with this is choose sections of any website, any page. I'm just going to show you now, and turn that into a slide. So I selected this area here, wait for it to load, and then you can see we have our first slide. Okay, so this is again perfect if you're launch jacking, if you're an affiliate, if you're looking to make quick videos just to plug a little traffic pocket. You can make one of these videos in literally minutes. So if I just come down here, for example, and let's say that I wanted to use a section here, and maybe we'll just take that section there. And you can see how easy it is to build your slides, to build a video. Then all I need to do is click proceed. Now at this stage you could add in another URL here if you wanted to make slides from additional videos. So if you wanted to combine 2 or 3 websites and take slides from each one of those, combine the whole thing, mash it all up, you can do. But what I'm going to do here is just click on next, just to keep this short and to the point. So now you can see that we have some additional features. So you can add text over the video, you can position it, you can change the font family, you can change the font color, background color, etc. You can add intros, and you can have outros. So you can kind of sandwich an existing video if you like, or something that you make with our software, with an intro and an outro. And then once you're happy with the way your video looks, you can add audio. So you can see here we have some audio options. These are all built in, so you can include your own audio, or you can add one of our included audio files here, and then you can save and share the video. You can see that I can upload this directly to YouTube or Vimeo. Now, in order to do this, you will need to set up the software with your accounts. So this is something that you do just once at the beginning. You only need to do it once, and then with all your videos, you just upload them directly from the software. So just to recap, VideoSumo is not about being the best video creation software out there. It's not about being the most in-depth research tool out there. It's about fast results. If you want fast results, you want to be able to rank your videos and drive traffic from those video pockets and do it remarkably quickly, then this is a software that will help you achieve just that. So again, you can research any phrase by simply dropping in a seed keyword or phrase. The software will correlate data from YouTube and Google. It will analyze it for you and it will return it as color-coded results. So you can see instantly which phrases are going to be easy for you to rank. You can extract all of the data from leading campaigns and use it on your own videos. That includes descriptions, subjects, tags, pretty much everything you need in order to rank your videos. You can include that in your own videos, which you make with VideoSumo, or you can download it and use it for videos you may already have. But to summarize, VideoSumo is about easy, fast results. Let me give you another quick example before I finish up with this video. So you can see here I have a post, easy recurring income, and I wanted to drive additional traffic to this post. Essentially, it just promotes an affiliate product. So I used VideoSumo to find a number of phrases which I could rank one video for. So I made one video and I ranked it for a number of different phrases. Let me show you some of the results. So you can see here how to start a successful membership site. I'm not signed in, so this isn't cached or anything like that. So you can see 136 million results, which is a fair old whack, I'm sure you'll agree. And then if I just scroll down here, you can see that my video there is on page 1. So yeah, it's not right at the top. Let me just scroll to the bottom of the page so you can see that this is actually page 1. Okay, so you can see there, page 1, and there I am there. So this is achieved using VideoSumo. Okay, so one video, again, you can upload one video from multiple different phrases and you can rank for all of them. And that allows you to drive traffic to pretty much anywhere. So although you may not get thousands and thousands of hits every single day for, say, this phrase here, for example, if you were to take this video and add it to many, many different phrases, so upload it to lots and lots of different phrases individually, using VideoSumo, using the phrases that the software finds for you, then you can compound the amount of traffic that you can get to your offers, affiliate offers, your websites, pretty much anywhere you want to send it. And it takes just minutes. So thanks once again for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful. I hope you can see the potential in VideoSumo, and I hope it helps you get the results that you need.